This is the dashboard after we log in into the Conversion.ai. So basically that Conversion.ai starts with either templates or documents. Since we have a starter package, we couldn't create the document. So if I click the documents, basically these documents we can create uh, long form articles with this, right? So either from scratch or blog post workflow we can do it. So if we click it, it is displaying that message we should upgrade to pro users. Anyway, I have some kind of Jarvis boss mode tips. So when we use this, give me, suppose you see here that give me an outline for this managing product recalls. We can replace with our own keyword, that long tail keyword. Then if we copy this whole content and paste it on either this and this, then we will get some good content, I think so. Anyway, now we cannot test it because we don't have any rights for this on the starter pack. So for the starter pack we have a templates. We can use the list of templates which has already created. So if I click the templates, you can see AIDA framework. It means that attention, interest, desire and action. PAS framework, content improver, product description, blog post topic ideas, blog post outline, blog post intro. So in this case, if I filter blog alone, I am getting the blog post topic ideas, blog post outline, blog post intro and blog post conclusion, and SEO, blog post title and meta description. So these things we can get it. So in this I tried with this blog post outline. So I simply provide the keyword, this keyword, right, that how to increase organic traffic. So when I click this keyword on this blog post outline category, if I click it and provide this blog post title on here, then if I click that generate AI content, I am getting the content here. So I already created that content, so I will show you those content first, right? So these are all the contents I am getting. So this is basically, it's just providing the idea of the blog post that we can create. It's not giving any content. So you see, for this keyword, how to increase organic traffic, this is the keyword. So related to this keyword, it is providing me the idea of the blog post title: 10 ways to get more organic traffic, the best ways to increase your organic traffic, how you can generate more organic web traffic. Likewise, I am getting here, right? So now first time I am going to try another template on the blog category. Let's see how it is working. So for that I just go to the templates and click blog. Though we have so many options, that website is also there. So anyhow, I am just using this blog category, right? So this content improver is take a piece of content and rewrite it to make it more interesting and creative and engaging content. So I'm first going to try this, right? So content improver. So for that content on my, I'm going to get the content from my YouTube channel, right? I'm just taking into my YouTube studio. Today morning I post some content, so I'm getting that. Yeah. So that basically a funnel strategy. I copy this content and put it here. So basically a funnel strategy is used to break the customer journey from leads to conversion. In other words, funnel is containing more than one web pages and it has entry and exit pages. Usually when the leads come into exit page, we consider a conversion happen. So this conversion can be changed depend upon the funnel we used. If we use the email funnel, the conversion will be collecting a lead for for say okay, maximum 80 it's coming, so I'm just delete this. And tone of voice right now is funny, so if I click here we can get list of other tones, and also we can get the video what about the tones, right? So these are all the tones we are having: funny, casual, excited, professional. So I am going to use the professional tone, okay, here. And just generate the AI content. Close this. So export this, and now I am getting the content. So since I put the three outputs, the three different outputs I am getting for this particular paragraph. A funnel break the customer journey from leads to conversion. In other words, website's funnel contains more than one web pages and it has entry and exit pages. Typically, when the lead enters through an exit page, we consider that conversion happened. The funnel strategy is used to break the customer journey. In other words, okay. So three different content improver we got, right? So like that, if we go back to the templates again and use the blog, this is the blog post idea. It's a brainstorm new blog post topics that will engage readers and rank well on Google. Blog post intro paragraph, blog post conclusion paragraph. So I'm going to use this. So for that, first I'm taking this one, right? So before that I'm going to that. It is asking me that blog post title. So for the title I'm going to use that I have generated already few titles here, right? The 10 ways to get more organic traffic, the best ways to increase your organic traffic. So I'm going to take this as a blog post title and put it here. So my audience would be webmaster, right? Webmaster, affiliate marketer. That's it. So tone of voice, I just use it casual, and I'm going to get the three different outputs. So generate the AI content first. So it will bring me that intro paragraph. Okay, so we are going to talk about 10 ways that you can get more organic traffic and increase your rankings on Google search. The first thing is to make sure that your site loads quickly, because this will help with page views. Make sure not to use too many plugins or scripts on the page, because these will slow down the load time. You should also optimize for keywords so people find it easier when they do a search on Google or other search engine providers. One of the best ways is by using long tail keywords in addition to popular searches, so you rank higher for those searches as well, then have an increased chance of getting clicks from them, which means more visitors and conversions. Another way is by creating quality content that attracts links naturally over time. Okay. So this is how we can use this Conversion.ai starter pack, right? So this of course we can, though this Conversion.ai is having the full blog post content created option is available, but we cannot use it because we need to have the pro version for that. So we can do some sort of research and some testing with this different types of templates. So I'm going to use this email template for creating some email subject line and personalized cold emails, persuasive bullet points, content improver. So let us play on these templates first. Then if it is very good, then we can do further with these documents while upgrading the things into the Pro version. Hope it helps you. Thank you.